5 mystical facts about deer. Number 1. Messengers from the Otherworld. In many cultures, particularly Celtic lore, deer are seen as messengers bridging the physical and spiritual realms. Number 2. Symbols of gods and goddesses. Deer are sacred to numerous deities. In Greek mythology, the deer is closely linked to Artemis, the goddess of the hunt and wilderness. Number 3. The white stag is a spiritual quest. The appearance of a rare white stag in folklore, particularly in Arthurian legends, often triggers a great quest. Number 4. Guardians of the forest and fairy cattle. Deer are often considered the guardians of the forest. In Scottish and Irish folklore, they are referred to as fairy cattle. Number 5. Symbols of rebirth and renewal. The stag's antlers, which are shed and regrown each year, make it a powerful symbol of regeneration, rebirth, and the cyclical nature of life. If you like this fact, please hit the subscribe and like button.